Hey everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to download and install DaVinci Resolve for free. So open your any browser. Now I'm open my Chrome browser and go to this site. So I'm just provide this site link in my description box. Scroll down, then showing you two different way. If you want to get free or paid version, so I'm just provide free. Click on to free download now. It's DaVinci Resolve 20. So you just select on, like I'm select my Windows, okay, and fill up this address, okay. I'm just fill up this address, press on register and download, okay. Now it's downloading. So now check. Now download start in my DaVinci zip file, and now it's download complete. So need to unzip. Click on the mouse left side, press on extract all, okay. I'm at first unzip this file and open this. Click on to mouse left side, press on open. Select the second option, press on install, press on next, right mark, next, and select location, press on next, and finally click on to install. And now it's installing. Press on to finish, okay. Now it's complete. Press on OK, and now I'm open this search option, okay. Alright, now finally it's download and installing.